Welcome to Ramar Plumbing. At Ramar Plumbing, we provide expert plumbing services backed by over 20 years of experience. Located in Livermore, California, we proudly serve a 30-mile radius, bringing quality and dedication to every project. Our specialties include underground plumbing, top-out plumbing, gas lines, tankless water heaters, plugged line cleaning, camera inspections, and more. Call us today at 877-544-0494 or 925-337-5440 for more information. Our skilled team is committed to delivering quality work that exceeds your expectations. Visit our website and reach out via email. You can also find us on Google for reviews and more information. Don't forget to follow us on social media for updates and project showcases. Thank you for considering Ramar Plumbing. We look forward to serving you and ensuring your plumbing needs are met with the highest standards of quality and professionalism.